So guys, for the first step, once you're on this screen, you're going to click on next. Now you're going to click on repair your computer. It's now going to take us to here. Now once you're on this, you're going to click on troubleshoot. And now we're going to click on command prompt. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in disk part. Click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in list space disk. Click on enter again. Now you're going to type in select space disk. And then the number of the drive that you want to install Windows on. You can tell which one is which by the GB. But for me, I've only got one disk right here, which is disk 0. So now I'm going to type in select disk 0. And then click on enter. Which is now going to select your disk. Now you're going to type in clean. And then click on enter again. Now you're going to type in create partition primary. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in format space fs equals ntfs space quick. Click on enter again. And then once that's been done, you're going to type in exit. Click on enter. Now you're going to type in exit one more time. Click on enter. And now we're going to click on turn off your PC. And then once you're on this, you're going to press any key to boot from CD or DVD. And then once you're back on this, you're going to click on next. And then install now. You can now follow through the steps and then the problem should be fixed.